Capital letter A for apple. B for banana. C for cake. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gate. H for hat. I for ink. J for jug. K for king. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pig. Q for quail. R for rainbow. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Let's counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's paint. Brown color. A for aeroplane. B for broccoli. C for car. D for dolphin. E for eagle. F for fan. G for glasses. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. Yellow color. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for coin. R for ring. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for water. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zoo. Let's counting. Light green color, number 0. One. Two. Number 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. And last, number 9. Let's repeat learn step by step. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.